Are you posting the required workplace posters at your cleaning business? Steve here with the Janitorial Store, the channel where we help cleaning business owners scale their cleaning companies with systems, tools, and resources. Well, here's a workplace poster, at least one of them. You know, all businesses are required to post federal labor law posters in their workplace in common areas frequented by their employees and applicants. So what we used to do is that we used to post these in our break room. So, you know, when the employees would come in, that they'd be clearly right there and they could review them and ask any questions that they might have. So that's very important. So, well, let's say you don't have a break room. Well, you know, in some cases, let's say you got a residential cleaning company and you have people come into your supply room to pick up their supplies. Well, that's where you should probably be posting your labor posters. Again, you know, you got to make sure that they're in places in a common area that's frequented by your employees and applicants. So as long as you do that, you'll be in good shape. Now, some of the posters that include, you have the federal minimum wage, you have the Family First Coronavirus Response Act, that's the 𝗡𝗙𝗢𝗓. You also have Equal Employment Opportunity Commission, that's your EEOC. You have a Family and Medical Leave Act, FMLA. You have your Employee Polygraph Protection Act, that's the EPPA. You'll have the Uniform Services Employment and Reemployment Rights Act of 1994. That's the USERRA. So the thing now is that there may be additional posters that you need, because every city and state and county or country now has additional law posters that are per their local mandates. So the thing that you want to do is you've got to check your local city, state, and country for those requirements to make sure that you have the proper posters, labor posted. So do that, and you know, you're able to buy some of these posters, such as the one I had held up earlier. You can purchase them online, and there's a number of different places you can do that, and the prices will vary. So just do a search for labor law posters. Then you can also go and download posters from the Department of Labor website. So always do that. And these posters are available in both English and other languages. So if you have Spanish-speaking folks or other languages, you can get them so they'll able to read them. Also, if you wanted to, you can go for more information on employment law. Visit Employment Laws Associate, visit the Employment Laws Assistance at this link here. So now, if you want to learn more about workplace posters, go to the Janitorial Store or My House Cleaning Biz, and just put in the search box, you know, labor posters, and you're going to find much more articles on the subject. And like I say, you know, it doesn't matter if we're running a commercial cleaning company, if we're running from home, or people are coming to your garage to pick up supplies. That may be where you're hanging these posters. If you have a physical location, it may be in your supply room, it could be in your break room, but you have to have it in a common area where people are going to see them. So keep that in mind. Now you may be saying, "Hey, wait, Steve, you know, people don't come to our location." Well, then what I would probably suggest is, you know, because that's kind of like what I do now, is that we don't have people that come to our physical office, our employees and such. You know, so I actually just hang those on a board, and I have them there, you know, in case somebody wants to see them. But nobody will ever come to my location because we work virtual because of what we do. But you know, in that case, what you can always do is that if you have a company website, you could have an employee portal. You could take photos of these posters and put them in your employee portal, so your employees can visit there and they'll be able to see these posters. So that's one way to overcome that. I don't believe there's any law about that, you know, because there's not a common area, because we're virtual. And you know, with COVID-19, that's a very good example. You know, most of us are working virtual now, and in that situation, I think you'd probably be safe just to be able to do that. Go ahead and take a photo of all these and put them on your employee portal on your website, or someplace like that, to where your employees can go there and view these labor law posters. So, well, hopefully you got some value from this video, and if you did, you know, feel free to make a comment. And as always, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe, and make sure that you turn on that bell notification to get the latest updates on new videos that we do to help you grow your cleaning business. So, thanks for checking in today, and let's keep it clean out there.